Good morning, everybody. So I know I left you guys in Austin. We ended up getting home and then heading out to Dallas. We got in super late at the hotel. So yeah, we basically just got here and crashed out. We just had breakfast. We're gonna head out to the car show. And let me show you guys the view that I have this morning to do my makeup and for breakfast. It's amazing. You almost forget you're in Texas when it's this green out, but it's not summertime yet, and this is a golf course, so it's faking the funk. Sitting here with this little table here. We're on a golf course in a very, very nice hotel because my husband has been hella bougie lately, so I'm loving it. But yeah, look how pretty it is outside. It's supposed to be really nice out today, about 80, so hopefully I don't burn. But yeah, anyway, so I'm just sitting here doing my makeup. I didn't bring a mirror, I forgot, but we're gonna make it work. All right, we are ready to go. We're just waiting for our friends to meet up with us so we can head out to the registration. And yeah, so I guess I will see you guys when we get out there. Finally heading out. It's hard to record and walk at the same time. Because you're tall. So this entire parking lot's gonna be full of cars, huh? It's gonna be crazy. Okay, we are out here at the show. We got the baby's truck behind me.
Yep, say 99, 2000. That's pretty cool.
We got the Bass Night boy behind me. Say hi to the camera. Tons. So we're literally 1,098, and this parking lot is probably a third of the way full. As you can see, 5,000. My husband just said 5,000 vehicles are supposed to be in this show. So we will be getting, as soon as everybody's registered and parked and walked, we'll walk the lot and show you guys some of these cars. I guess a Lamborghini just drove by. And you know, I don't know nothing about no cars. Tell me about some makeup and I'll let you know what cars. Anyway, so yeah, we're just out here hanging with the friends. We just took pictures of the boys in front of their cars and bikes. Ain't no shade out here. I'm gonna burn.
No shade,
no nothing.
Nothing.
Say hi to the camera, Eli.
Hello!
Hi! All the homies. Jen. Some of our best friends out here. We're just hanging out. So yeah, we'll get back to you guys when we walk around. Okay, so I legit thought that we were going to be out in that parking lot for the car show, but we were all lined up and registered out there, and we went into the actual Texas Speedway where they do races, and it's absolutely amazing to go in there and see like how steep the track is. Yeah, so all the cars, this is us filing in, and of course this is the boys, you know, making noise with their toys as we go into the place that we're going to set up. Okay, surrounding us, that looks like a concrete wall, but that's the actual track for this racetrack. I legit am still amazed at how angled that track is. It's crazy. I'm gonna get, all this is gonna have to be muted out because I'll get copyright strikes from the music. So it's gonna be blank. So I ended up doing a quick little lap around looking at a few cars with my husband, and we ended up setting up a tent, and the girls and I just sat and chilled, had some drinks, let the guys walk around and do their thing. It was sort of hot out there, I'm not gonna lie. There was like not a lot of covered area. So we ended up just chilling, like I said, and we had a really good time. This was a really cool fundraiser they did for our veterans. You basically paid $5 for a minute. They gave you a sledgehammer and you go to town and beat up these cars as best as you could. It's funny watching these guys for the first few seconds just going at it, going crazy, and then slowly just dying out because that sledgehammer is so big and heavy, but it was definitely fun to watch. Okay, everybody, so that is it. We are headed home. It has been a long day, but it was a fun day. Did you enjoy yourself last night? Are you gonna talk? You never talk on my videos. Did you have fun? Yeah, what was your favorite car? The Skyline. How did I guess? So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this little weekend vlog, and I will see you guys next time.